to time, look into your eyes.
Hey loves, it's your girl LAL here. Make it official by pressing that subscribe button and joining the LAL fam. We're gonna wipe this oil off our nails with this alcohol pad right here. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, show us some love please. Yeah, so we're just wiping any excess oils, anything like that off of our nails, the shine, removing the shine from them. And yeah, but make sure you follow your girl for more videos like this. I will link all of these products below, but these are the nails I'm using today. I am using the glue from Beetles, but these nails I did purchase from Amazon, but it's a different brand. I wanted to do something square today in short. So that's what we're rolling with, y'all. I wanted to do something kind of short but square. So we're using these clear, shorty square nails. So your girl is just getting my sizes together. And this looks like a good fit for my thumb. But yeah, we got our sizes right. So we're going to start off with this thumbnail. And I'm going to be using these mini dried flowers that I purchased from Amazon. You heard me? They are very affordable. Like I said, we'll link everything in the description box. So don't forget to check that. But I'm just trying to pop all of these open so that I will have easy access to them. Starting off with this Pretty Diva No Wipe top coat. This is a gel top coat, and we are gonna make sure that we spread that across the entire back of this clear nail. The top coat is important because this is what's gonna basically hold your flowers in place when you apply them. So yeah, so I'm using tweezers. It can be a little bit of a challenge because they're super teeny weeny. Got to get these girls up out of here, but I'm going to start with this pink one right here. When you apply your flowers to the back of the nail, you want to make sure the flower is facing downward. So when you turn it over, you should see the front of the flower. So the front of the flower should be facing down when you apply it to the nail, okay? And you can move them around because it's not dry yet to position them where you want them. So that's what I'm doing. And yeah, so we're just placing them exactly where we want them, and that's pretty much all to it.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
So this is what the nail is looking like. We're gonna set the flowers with this Beetle single nail UV lamp for about 20 seconds should do it. Okay, so it's pretty much set. Let me show you what the nail looks like. This is her. Yes. So we're applying another layer of top coat, and we are going to place it back under the single UV lamp from Beetles that I got with my kit for another about 20 seconds. And that is going to ensure that the flowers stay put. But I like it. It gives it that embedded flower look. I really like that. Like, you know how you see with acrylic nails or polygel nails, all the fancy nails. But baby, you saving time. And don't forget money too. So we're going to continue and do the others. I'm not going to have flowers on every nail, so I will leave the other ones will be left clear. But I'm going to go ahead and set that aside and go ahead and get started. So on each hand, there will be 3 of the floral nails. Okay, sugar, so I'm going to keep on moving. Just keep it going, keep it popping. So yeah, we're doing the next one. And on the smaller nails, like if you have smaller fingers like mine, I just did 3 flowers going down in a row, and just made sure that I positioned those as close to the top, as close to each other, you know, and close to the bottom as possible, so you can spread them out to fit, you know, better as need be. But yeah, so you do that, place them, set it under the UV lamp, the single one, for about 20 seconds, and then it's set. Then you're gonna apply your top coat to seal it in. You gotta seal the deal, and then we are going to make sure we cure that too. Okay, so this is what that one is looking like. We're gonna move on and do this last floral nail design right here. Get sis ready, and yeah, so I'll be back talking to y'all in just a moment.
One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me, yeah. Yeah. Still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry?
So the last floral nail is done for this hand, so we're going in with our nail glue. We're actually going to apply this to our nails and allow them to cure for at least 30 seconds using our Modelone's UV lamp this time. So just applying that to the nails and going to cure for at least 30 seconds. Okay, they're cured, so now we are going to apply the glue to the back of the nail, only in the area where the nail is going to adhere to our nail is where you apply the glue. You don't need to bring it down, you know, too far, but far enough. If you need to measure, you can. I'm pretty good at eyeballing this part because I know I have super short nails and short fingers too, so pretty easy, straightforward for me, you know. And then you just put that on and you got to hold it in place. You don't want to put it under the lamp until you have it in the right position, if that makes sense, because it will set exactly where you put it. Exactly where it's laid is where it's gonna cure. So we have this one applied and that's what it looks like. Cute, huh? I love how this looks. Let's get the rest of these girls applied and keep this show popping.
I haven't seen you in a long time. Almost been a year since you broke my heart and tore me apart. Oh, yeah. I've been working on myself, trying to move on. Hooking up with someone else, trying to forget and get you out of my head. No, I deleted all your messages. Cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone. Thought I was clear, I'm not your friend, I'm not the only. You think I'm the same, but you don't even know me. So I don't know why you keep calling me. What makes you think I would go back? Why would I wanna try again? You're not listening, no. You keep saying you changed, but we both know people don't change it. It's time to let me go. Why won't you leave me alone? I deleted all your messages, cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone. Thought I was clear, I'm not your friend, I'm not the only. You think I'm the same, but you
All the nails are applied, even the clear ones. So it's filing time. We are going to lightly file. We are going to make sure that the shape is right, make sure that it's good and even, and that we take the shine from the whole top of the nail and the sides and so forth. So yeah, just lightly do this. You don't have to be too heavy. You don't have to be too heavy-handed with this. All the filing is done, so we're going to go in with our top coat again. And I applied at least 3 layers. I did 3 layers on all the floral nails. So right now I'm applying top coat, a clear, no wipe top coat to each of the floral nails only. And then I'm going to allow that to cure for about, I believe, just to be safe, I did 60 seconds because I wanted to make sure that it was cured completely.
Yeah, into me. I'm out of Hey, all that designer no do you no justice. You one of a kind. Seen you like twice, but you know what they say, that 3 times is a charm. You probably heard it a lot, but baby, why you looking so fine? KMT to the haters. Girl, where you been? Hiding out all day. I've been having all these dreams that you'll be mine someday. Ever since I saw you last time, been a call away.
Now on the clear nails, y'all, this is what we using, this gel polish right here. And I decided I would use a purple glitter gel polish. I think that would be pretty with this, so I don't know, but we're gonna see, y'all. So that's what we're using. We're gonna use the purple glitter and we're gonna apply on the clear nails, and it's 2 clear nails. So we're gonna do a coat on each and cure. And once we cure, I did at least this polish is not as thick. The glitter is more glitter, it seems. So I did about 30 seconds. I'm applying the other layer of clear top coat to the floral nails only before I set the glitter nails. So I will go ahead and set this all together. It's all cured, so we're gonna go back in with this purple glitter gel polish. So we're gonna do another layer of this polish. Dipping into this top coat one more again, and just making sure that we also put top coat over the purple glitter nails as well. This way they will all be good and coated, and it will just help them last longer. This is what my nails are looking like after curing the last layer. But your girl gotta go in with some cuticle oil, and ooh, child, girl, don't y'all talk about me. I know I need some lotion too. But we are gonna apply this cuticle oil and we're gonna wrap it up. I won't make y'all sit through the next hand, of course not. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will show y'all the final results right here. What y'all think? I think they came out cute, not bad for DIY, saving some coins. And I'm pretty impressed. The flowers are really secure. And I love the clear nails. They are really bright, colorful, and really cute. So I love them. Like, comment, share. Love y'all. Later.